Starting around 09 October 2023 by and large smooth love mixture in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in truly most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally significant manner. SLP especially has an all-out market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially makes kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, fundamentally positioning at 319 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, smooth love mixture in a real sense be truly worth in 2023 in an all things considered, significant way? Is for the most part smooth love elixir a kind of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which really is genuinely critical? Will SLP cost basically outperform its untouched high, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking? These generally are our genuinely smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, showing how starting around 09 October 2023, pretty smooth love elixir most certainly is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the genuinely smooth love elixir estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a very normal value level of $0.002, the normal pretty least value worth of sort of smooth love elixir toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $0.002. So this generally makes pretty smooth love mixture, SLP, certainly positioning at 319 in the digital money market, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, SLP can especially arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.002 in a genuinely enormous manner. SLP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of fundamentally smooth love elixir for the most part is determined to in a real sense be at around a base worth of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The extremely smooth love elixir value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.002, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, fundamentally smooth love mixture especially is supposed to arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.002 in a sort of significant manner. The SLP cost could truly arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.002, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.002, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023, the cost for in every way that really matters, smooth love elixir in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an essentially significant manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002 in a quite enormous manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of especially smooth love elixir certainly is anticipated to generally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.002 and a genuinely least of $0.002. Which essentially shows that SLP in a real sense has a fundamentally complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211, which generally is genuinely critical. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for really smooth love mixture in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an essentially significant manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.002 in a huge manner. Smooth love elixir extremely past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been diminished by 1.23% in its ongoing worth, which generally is genuinely critical. Assuming we sort of think about the essentially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, or so they in every practical sense thought. From most recent 7 days the SLP was in good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41%, or so they explicitly thought. Smooth Love Elixir especially has shown exceptionally solid potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP basically diminished by 50.056%, killing an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of $0.001 from its certainly current worth, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a by and large great basically purchase an open door for speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 49.26%, and the cost commonly flowed from a fundamentally least beautiful typical cost of $0.003 to for the most part greatest extremely normal cost of $0.003 in the precise beyond 90 days in a genuinely huge manner. Smooth Love Mixture generally is somewhere near 27.54% with the truly greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.002, and the in every way that really matters, least truly normal cost of for the most part was around $0.002 in every practical sense, recent months, showing how all things considered. Smooth Love Elixir fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been explicitly diminished by 1.23% in its certainly current worth in an essentially enormous manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will be by and large Smooth Love Mixture pretty worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The SLP cost for the most part is determined to for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.002, with least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, so in a real sense is in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Elixir a by and large wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Accomplishes all things considered, Smooth Love Mixture have a future, which especially is genuinely critical. As far as cost, most certainly Smooth Love Mixture really has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. Further appearance how SLP Value Conjecture September 2023, concerning September 2023. By and large Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $0.002 in a enormous manner. It by and large is gauged that SLP will increment in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As per by and large unambiguous specialists and business examiners, especially Smooth Love Elixir can explicitly raise a ruckus around town, much the greatest cost